Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the central government permanent jobs. So you can apply from all over the India. Here the total 368 vacancies are there and eligibility is a graduation. Salary is up to 1,40,000 rupees per month. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Airports Authority of India, the recruitment of managers and junior executives in various disciplines. And here you can check down that the manager fire services and the manager technical, and while coming to the junior executive air traffic controller. So here the fourth category junior executive airport operations, and the fifth one junior executive technical operations. And here you can check down the minimum qualifications also. For manager BE or BTech degree in fire engineering or mechanical engineering or automobile engineering, 5 years of work experience in executive cadre in the field of fire services. And coming to the manager BE or BTech degree in mechanical or automobile, 5 years work experience. And the junior executive air traffic control, bachelor's degree of 3 years in science, BSc with physics and mathematics, or bachelor's degree in engineering in any discipline. Physics and mathematics should be subject in any one of the semester curriculum. No experience is required. Total 264 vacancies are there under this category. And the junior executive airport operations, graduate in science and MBA of 2 years duration or bachelor's degree in engineering, no experience required. And in junior executive technical also, no experience is essential, BE or BTech degree in mechanical or automobile. So total here 368 vacancies are there from all these 5 different types of categories. And the degree or diploma, certificate or membership examination should be from recognized or deemed universities. The percentage of marks 60% or equivalent for bachelor's degree and also for PG degree or diploma including MBA. And the candidates having BE, BTech, BSc engineering are allowed to apply against the post for which essential qualification is prescribed as bachelor's degree in engineering. And coming to the age limit, manager 32 years maximum age limit and junior executive 27 years. And the relaxation in age limit is also there based upon the PWD, SC, ST and OBC category. Okay, and the relaxations are mentioned here, so you may check down clearly. The important dates are online application for opening date 15th December 2020. And the last date for online application form is 14th January 2021. And the date of examination will be announced in the AAI website. And here the remuneration for manager and the remuneration for junior executive is also given here, so you may check down. And the amendments and some important instructions are also provided here. And coming to the selection procedure, so before applying for the post, the candidate should ensure the eligibility conditions, and on the basis of detailed furnished, the online examination and admit card shall be issued to them accordingly. Fine, so I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so please check this one. Okay, and for more accurate details, please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. And please subscribe my channel to get the more notifications like this. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here on announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC-NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC-NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.